Hi guys, I'm Will, or the Nerdy Cook, and today we're going to be cooking a Malaysian chicken curry. First, let's get one of the most important meals of the day.
It's Corona time! Hey, it's Corona time right now! It's Corona time!
This is a simple recipe, but it does take quite a while to cook, so let's get cracking. Now this recipe does take a while to cook, and it does need some ingredients from a Chinese supermarket, but I promise you it's worth the wait. You'll need to pick up some curry paste and some curry powder. I'll leave a link in the description where you can pick them up online. You also need 4 medium potatoes, half a red onion, some hard cream coconut, some dark soy sauce, some oyster sauce, and clove of garlic. You also need 5 chicken thighs and 2 chicken drumsticks. Now you're going to want to cut your chicken into chunks, and boom, done. So now we've added half the curry powder into the bowl, and we're going to add our chicken in there. I'm going to mix it about, make sure we cover all of it. So once you mix the curry powder and your chicken together, you want to leave that for about 10-15 minutes in the fridge just to let it marinate. Whilst that's going on, we're going to prepare our potatoes and our red onion for the next phase. First you want to dice your onion. Bang! Done. Next off, your potatoes. Bang! Done. Now we're going to leave them to the side, and we're going to get back to the chicken. Take a break, you've been working hard.
It's Corona time!
So what we're going to do is we're going to cook off the red onion on low heat so it doesn't burn, then we're going to add the chicken in. First off, you want to add a little bit of oil. And then add your onion in. Once you've cooked your onions, then you add your chicken. So once you've browned your chicken off, you want to add your curry paste and the water. And let that boil down. Okay, so once we've got that cooking, we want to add our potatoes in. And then you want to cover it back up and leave it for another 10 minutes. You don't want to cook the potatoes all the way through. And I'll tell you why in a little bit.
5 minutes later.
So once you've cooked your potatoes partially through, you want to leave it for about 24 hours. So I'll see you tomorrow. Well, we're back. 24 hours later, the potatoes have soaked in all the juices, so is the meat. It's a bit dry at the moment, so what we're going to do is we're going to add about 100 ml of water in there and just let that simmer for a while. Whilst that's doing that, let's go check on the veg. Now veg is optional with this dish, but I like to add a bit of greens to mine. So I'm going to put sweet stem broccoli along with it, and I've also cut up about 25 grams of dried coconut. And don't forget to put your coconut in as you're heating up the curry. Now as we wait for that to cook, let's get our rice sorted. So now we're going to do the veg, splash of olive oil, oyster sauce, dark soy, and don't forget to crush garlic. Then add veg. And let that cook off. So the veg will only take about 5 minutes to cook, but once that's ready you should be good to dish it. now we're done, everything comes together, we'll take a mouthful. Thank you again for watching. Leave a comment down below if you enjoyed it. Follow me on socials if you want to see what's coming up next, and have a great day. Is that everything? Hi guys, I'm Will, or the Nerdy Cook, and today we're going to be cooking a Malaysian chicken curry. But first, let's start with a good... Wait, cut that. Go to a Chinese supermarket to make it, to get the Chinese... Why is it? I can say it, but never when it's... Alright, okay, stop that. Now to get started, what we're going to need is we're going to need a bowl, your chicken powder. It's not chicken powder, it's curry powder. Alright.